How do I respond to a civil summons? The manner in which one responds to a civil summons depends on the purpose of the summons and the information contained therein, as well as the jurisdiction from which it originates. In some cases, a civil summons will require an appearance at a designated time and place indicated within the summons, while in other cases a formal answer may be the required response. It is also possible that both an answer and an appearance are called for by the summons. A civil summons is an order of the court. In some jurisdictions, an attorney may prepare and issue a summons, but he or she is doing so as an officer of the court. Examples of the use of a summons include notifying a party that a case has been initiated in the court, directing a party to a case to appear for a deposition, or requiring a citizen to report for jury duty. A written answer may be the appropriate response to a civil summons when the purpose of the summons is to notify the recipient that a civil case has been filed. When an answer is the appropriate response, the summons will indicate how long the recipient has to respond. In a divorce or small claims lawsuit, for example, the summons will be accompanied by the petition or complaint and will indicate how long the recipient has to file a written response with the court. Failure to respond within the given time period may cause a default judgment to be entered against the recipient. When a civil summons is used to notify a party to a case that he or she has been ordered to appear for a deposition, the summons will include a date, time, and place for the deposition. Once the summons has been served on the party, he or she is legally required to appear for the deposition. Failure to appear can cause a bench warrant to be issued. If the recipient feels he or she should not be required to appear, a written response detailing the reasons must be filed with the court prior to the scheduled deposition date. A jury summons is type of summons used to inform a citizen that he or she must report for jury duty. The summons will indicate whether the recipient must call in or appear on a specific date. If the recipient has a valid reason why he or she cannot appear, then he or she must follow the procedures indicated on the summons to notify the court. Ignoring a jury summons is considered contempt of court in some jurisdictions and can be punishable by a fine or even incarceration.